flood watch in effect from 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon through Wednesday morning. What flooding and flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? South Central Texas, including the following counties: Bandera, Bexar, Blanco, Burnett, Comal, Edwards, Gillespie, Hayes, Kerr, Kinney, Leno, Medina, Real, Travis, Uvalde, Val Verde, and Williamson. When? From 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon through Wednesday morning. Impacts. There is a potential for life-threatening flooding somewhere in the watch area. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Low water crossings may be flooded. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms capable of producing high rainfall rates which could quickly lead to flooding across the watch area. Be especially cautious as creeks, streams, and rivers may rise out of their banks quickly. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches with isolated amounts up to 5 inches are possible for the duration of the flood watch. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, station WXK-67 in San Antonio, Texas, broadcasting on a frequency of 2.55 megahertz, originating from the Austin San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. The current time is 11:12 a.m.